everyone, welcome to Essentials YouTube channel. So today we are going to make Dum Aloo Curry. Yes, so if you are a potato lover and if you don't like non-veg or anything, definitely you can try this. This is purely a veg recipe, so let's get started.
To make this recipe, I have taken 3 large potatoes. I have peeled this one, and then I have taken red chili, green chili, garlic, ginger, roughly chopped onions, and then roughly chopped tomatoes, and for garnishing I have taken coriander and mint leaves. And then we have taken jeera, mustard seeds, black cardamom, and cinnamon, black pepper and cloves. And then next what we need is turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, methi plus mustard powder. This I have made it by powdering the mustard and the methi. Then definitely we need salt for the taste and oil for frying. So let's start. You need a pan, and we have taken some oil in this pan, and then we are going to add the chopped potatoes in this pan, and we will fry it until it is golden brown. So keep salting this so that it will not get attached to the pan, and keep frying it properly. So until it gets fried, let's see the ingredients for grinding. So I'm adding ginger and garlic, and then I'm going to add green chili and the red chilies, also the chopped tomatoes and the chopped onions. So let's add some water to this and grind them. After grinding, this is how it looks like. And then now our fried potatoes are looking this way. After this, I have added the grinded mixture to the oil and just sauteing it on a low flame. So let the oil separate. After this, I am going to add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mustard and methi seed powder, and then a pinch of salt, and let's salt it. Keep salting this very nicely, and see it's coming to boiling. And now I'm adding this fried potatoes in this and just salting this one. You can see how nice it looks when I add the potatoes. The color of this is so yum and tasty. Now I'm going to add some water to this, and I'll keep it for cooking for maybe up to 15 to 20 minutes until all the potatoes boil properly. As you can see now, this is boiling. Look at this. It's really yum, guys. You have to try this at once in home. So now I'm garnishing with little mustard and methi powder, and then I'm going to add the mint and coriander leaves. So this is the final recipe and how it looks like. You can eat this with rice or chapati, dosa, whatever you like.
Aloo Curry. Did you really like enjoying it? Then you can click on the like button and hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you want me to make more recipes, you can definitely comment down in the comment section, and I'll try to make as much as recipe I can. And also, not only about the recipe, if you want to know about any other things, definitely I can try to make video on that particular topic. So thank you so much for watching Essentials.